Reset. The term reset is commonly used in English to describe the action of restoring something to its original or default state. It implies starting fresh or beginning again. This term can be used in various contexts and has different meanings depending on the situation. Here are a few examples to illustrate its usage. 1. Technology. In the realm of technology, reset typically refers to restarting or restoring a device or system to its original settings. For instance, I had to reset my computer because it was running slowly. To fix the issue, try resetting your phone to factory settings. 2. Relationships. In interpersonal relationships, reset can mean starting over or renewing a connection. Examples include, after a big argument, we decided to reset our relationship and focus on rebuilding trust. Let's reset our friendship and put the past behind us. 3. Health and well-being. In the context of personal well-being, reset often refers to making positive changes or starting anew. Here are a couple of examples. I'm going on a vacation to reset and recharge my mind and body. After a busy week, I like to reset by practicing yoga or meditation. 4. Finance. In financial terms, reset can refer to adjusting interest rates or changing the terms of a loan. For instance, the mortgage rate will reset after 5 years. The bank agreed to reset the repayment schedule to help the borrower. Overall, the term reset conveys the idea of starting afresh or restoring something to its original state, whether it be a device, a relationship, personal well-being, or financial terms. Its usage can vary depending on the context in which it is used.